Hey, I wanted to talk about a little tool that I found really useful. It's called Gitup. It's a Mac application. It's free. You can download it at gitup.co, and it's basically a GUI for Git that I find really handy. I use Git on the command line all the time, and I use Git via my IDE too. But I actually jump back to this thing a lot to just find a simpler view of Git and find a better way to use it. Um, So this is what it looks like. I have a bunch of changes in my working directory, and suppose I want to commit some of these. If I just select a file and hit enter, it adds it to my index, and that includes everything in the file. So if I click here, I can see this file was added. Now if I want to add just a few lines from a file, well, first of all, if I hit enter here, it's going to add the whole file. I didn't mean to do that, so I can hit enter again to drop it out of the index again. Now what if I want just a few lines? I just select the line, hit enter, select some more lines, hit enter. Oops, I accidentally put too many lines, so let's go back to my index, select the lines I don't want, hit enter again. Now the only thing in my index are these changes. I can go ahead and commit this easily enough. Now suppose that I actually did want these lines in that commit, so I'll just add them to the index again, hit amend. And you can do all this from the command line too, but it's just a little simpler from here. Now, actually, I didn't really want to do that commit at all. So what I'm going to do is just hit Command Z, undo. It undoes the whole commit. And then I can make my changes again, add different things to the index, and commit again. So that's really handy. The other very handy thing is this branch browser. I have tons of branches, so it's really helpful to get an overview, not through an ASCII interface on the command line, and it's just a more capable way to show all this graphical information. I can see all my tags. I can click on a commit, see what the info is. If I hit spacebar, it actually pops up the diff and the whole log. I can then iterate that way, or I can hit spacebar again to close it. I can search. Anyway, it's a very handy tool, and it's free, so you might as well try it. And that's Gitup. So enjoy.